What's going on, guys? Benjamin's Garage coming at you guys with a video. And yes, coming at you guys with a video. But this is a little walk around. I just picked up a new car, my new daily. And it's alright, but yeah, I mean, I converted from Hondas to this vehicle, but yeah. I picked this up. It's a 1997, same year I was born. 540i, 6-speed. It is in rough shape. Door handle right here is missing. They tried to like chrome delete, but did a bad job all around here. The window trim is like messed up. OEM BMW windshield. Then back here, a little rust spot. Crack on a bumper right there, and the whole side right here is fucked up. Not fucked up, but yeah, you know what I mean. Right there is, yeah, I'm horrible at describing, I just point. Yeah, and the side skirts are like somehow riveted in. I've never seen no shit like that. All along there. And that's just the exterior. Is this feature. The windows roll on. But unfortunately, I have to do that to open the doors. And then you do it the reverse way to reverse the process. And the windows go up. This door panel is fucked up. It's like twerking and shit. This is fucked up too, the door hinge. So I have to like pull it forward to unlock the door. Right here, the carpet's ripped up. The gas pedal, oh my gosh, that's the worst. I don't like that style of gas pedal. Like, it's crazy. Here we have a push to start button, ignition. You have to put the key in though. The e-brake doesn't work, and I live on a hill, so that's the worst. I have to keep it in gear. Aftermarket radio, which is kind of good. The heat doesn't work because of a red wire that's in there. I physically seen it. Just a little dirty. I probably clean that up. What else? Yeah, I gotta check back here, see if it's clean. I never check back here. But yeah, the sunroof doesn't work neither. Sagging. Mirror, I like the mirror. Yeah, I'm recording on my phone. It's alright. The leather's a horrible condition. Right here, that's bothering me. And this is a BMW. I was told it was a 3 Series steering wheel, so I mean, yeah. So I guess I'll just do the video from back here. I couldn't get the door open, I don't know why, but yeah, oh, I forgot the back piece right back here has like a privacy thing. I want to know how I'm gonna do that. I guess I'll figure it out, but let me see. I could try it, let me see. Oh, there it goes, look, see? Wow, I forgot I had that. But yeah, let me turn the ignition on. And back here is not really that bad. I mean, I just gotta find out how to get these doors open. The window regulator back here is fucked up. The trunk only opens with the key, so the trunk only opens up with the key. You gotta, damn, how you do it? I got my tools back here already, so other than that, I mean, that's about it. Oh yeah, dual exit exhaust. Hold up, I gotta use the bathroom. I'll come back to you.